Hey Internet, here is the answer to employee and hourly employee inheritance tutorial. The code is in the pinned comment along with the GitHub repo. If you're unsure of how the answer solves the problem, copy and paste the code into your favorite LLM or ask your AI chatbot on how to solve it. For these questions, you just drag and drop into the correct label. So drop employee into employee and hourly employee into hourly employee. Just drag and drop. If you're having problems, just copy and paste. So these will validate your code. Alright, like and subscribe if you want to support me, become a member, or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.